Exercise 3.1, question number 1. How will you describe the position of a table lamp on your study table to another person? To describe the position of the table lamp, first we have to consider your table as an XY plane, OX, OY. And the position, let us assume as that this point, L. To explain to another person the position of the table lamp, for that we have to find out the coordinates of that point. X coordinate, Y coordinate. We know that X coordinate means the distance from Y axis to that point, and Y coordinate means the distance from X axis to that point. So we can, in generally, we can write that as A centimeter as the X coordinate, B. So the ordered pair AB. In generally, we can write the position of the lamp L is described by the ordered pair AB. For example, if we are keeping the lamp on this position, ordered pair it will come that as 2, 1. X coordinate 2, Y coordinate 1. If we are keeping here, X coordinate 3, Y coordinate 2, 3, 2. The same way we can find out or we can locate the point of that table lamp on your table by using the XY plane in terms of ordered pair. Second question. Street plan. A city has two main roads which cross each other at the center of the city. These two roads are along the north-south direction and east-west direction. So first we have to draw two roads. One is in the north-south direction, the other one east-west direction. All other streets of the city run parallel to these roads and 200 meters apart. There are 5 streets in each direction. In each direction, 5 streets. So we can mark the road. First one east-west direction and north-south direction. 5 roads parallel to north-south direction. Street 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same way, east-west direction also 5 parallel roads. Street 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here they are saying if the second street running in the north-south direction, second street running the north-south direction, this one, and fifth in the east-west direction meet at some crossing, and that will call this cross street as 2, 5. Second street and the fifth street, this one. That is 2, 5. Then using this convention, find how many cross streets can be referred to as 4, 3. 4, 3 means 4th street in parallel to north-south. 4th and 3rd street, this point. 4, 3. And second one, 3, 4. 3rd street, here 4th one. 3, 4. This we can mark as A, this is B. And how many cross streets can be referred for 3? In 4, 3, through this point only one crossroad. So we can write the answer of the first one. According to the question, only one street can be referred. Only one street can be referred. Can be referred to 4, 3, to that point 4, 3. Same way, second part. How many crossroads? 3, 4. 3, 4 is this one. Here also just one crossroad. So only one street. Only one street can be referred 2, 3, 4. So that's the answer. First we have to draw the roads in east to west direction and also north to south direction. Then 5 parallel streets for each one. And one is given 2, 5. According to that, we have to locate the points 4, 3 and 3, 4. Here only one parallel, one crossroad only. How many cross streets? So only one street. That's the answer.